Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back returning viewers as well. My name's Al and today we're making ginger Parkin, and because it's getting near bonfire night I'm going to do like a bit of a Black Treacle twist to it. So let me show you guys the ingredients list. 225 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of golden caster sugar, around 100 grams of Black Treacle and around 15 grams of golden syrup, 55 grams of unsalted butter, 20 grams of ground ginger, 70 grams of stem ginger and syrup just finely chopped, 1 medium free range egg, 200 millilitres of milk, 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and finally you'll need about a 6x6 inch cake tin with some greaseproof. Okay, so I've shown you the ingredients list, so let's get to the bake. First thing we need to do is we need to pop your oven to about 150 degrees. Okay, now we need to start adding stuff together, so we want to sieve the flour, sugar, bicarbonate of soda and the ground ginger together. So add the flour, add the golden caster sugar, add the ground ginger, and add the bicarbonate of soda. Now you just want to give these a quick mix. Okay, so we're going to put the flour mix just to one side for a second, and now we're going to work on the wet mix. So you just need to melt the butter with the 100 grams of Black Treacle and the 15 grams of golden syrup, just on nice slow heat until it's all nicely melted. Okay then, so now this is nicely melted in, now you just need to add the stem ginger while it's nice and warm just to get it going a little bit. Okay then, so now we need to add both parts together. So let's add the Black Treacle mix to the flour mix. And the reason I was saying about the whole Black Treacle kind of like twist to it, because it's getting bonfire, Black Treacle's got like a really nice bonfire toffee kind of like taste to it, with like bonfire toffee being like the main predominant flavour. So I put more Black Treacle in, because normally Parkin you put with golden syrup. So now you just want to give these a quick mix in, and then you want to add the milk and the egg to the mix. Now you want to add the egg and the milk. Now just give this a really good stir in. I've actually swapped to a whisk now just to try and get any more lumps out. Okay then, so that's looking like a really tasty mix. You've still got a few lumps from the stem ginger, but that's fine. So now you need to add it straight into your cake tin. And you can definitely swap the golden syrup for Black Treacle if you want more than Black Treacle. Just do a different way around. Just do 100 grams of golden syrup and 15 grams of Black Treacle, just to give it like a little bit of a taste to it. This one's a little bit darker and has like a little bit more of a bonfire toffee taste kind of going on. This one's a really great mix, and you can put some like crystallized ginger or something in, it's really nice. Or even some little bits of fruit, or how about some like banana or something, they're really quite cool. So you want to get all this mix in. I've actually swapped to a bowl scraper now just to get any of the last bits of cake mix in. You want to get it all in there, make sure it's all spread into the corners. Okay, so now you've got like this, now you want to spread it right into the corners really. And just in the middle you want it to be a little bit shallower, so when it cooks it actually goes all at the same temperature in the same kind of style, instead of being like a little bit of a mountain on top. Okay, this is looking really nice. Now you need to pop into the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, just until it's nicely golden brown. Okay everyone, we are back. It's been about 45 minutes. Got like a lovely smell like warm ginger, so I think it's ready to go. So let's have a quick check. Yeah, this is looking really good on this one. Really happy with this. So you just need to check it just a little knife, just stab it right in the middle, and if it comes out clean, you should be good to go. Yep, clean. So there we go then guys, I love like the aroma of ginger it gets off, it's like really good one. So if you ever wanted to put some more ginger in, maybe put some like crystallized something on top just to give it like an extra edge, but it is pretty gingery as it is. So the best thing to do with this, leave it if you can resist for a couple of days, just in a sealed tin, and it'll be really perfect. So let me know in the comments guys how you guys got on, any variations you did, maybe put some like banana in it, or any like different variations you did, maybe put less Black Treacle and more golden syrup or more ginger. Let me know on that one, but this one's the base recipe of my bonfire ginger Parkin done. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next bake. Okay. Okay, so now this is nicely melted. More Black Treacle in, because normally Parkin you put with golden syrup. So I did a little bit less golden syrup, a bit more Parkin. More Parkin? Now if you're able to like put any more in, you're going to put some like caramelized recipe done, my ginger bonfire Parkin.